Okay, today we're gonna be making this Pico Perch. It's a lipless crankbait. If you look on the left here, there's a little flat right here, but we're gonna try to make it a little bit unflat and then cut it off to make it flat. So I don't even know how the front of the lips look like. So let's give it a shot. First thing you do is go to New, click Parts, click OK. And let's import that picture. So we're going to go to the front plane here. Click the front plane, click Sketch. Now you're going to import that picture. So go to Tools, Sketch Tools, then go all the way down to Sketch Pictures. Then look for that pictures, and here it is. Click OK or Open. And that, let's see, how long do you want the bait to be? So let's give it, say 3-inch-ish, 3-inch, yeah. Now zoom out, and here, what you want to do on the left here, click the uncheck the enable scale tools. That'd be this line right here. Uncheck it, and that'll go away. Zoom out, move the picture towards the origin. Now what I'm going to do is try to align this spot to this spot as the horizontal line. So let's see. Let's see. Make a horizontal line, and let's give this 3-inch. Actually, let's give it about 3-inch. Okay. I don't like that 0.08, so click Edit. Change this to inch. Give this 3 place. Click OK. And go back to Sketch. Edit Sketch. Double click the pictures. Now we can adjust that pictures. And let's change the degree to about, yeah, that seems pretty good. Let's give it, okay, make this a construction line. Click OK. Now we'll exit out, and let's rename this. Click it slowly twice. Give this front pictures. Now we're going to go to the front plane and create another sketch. So just left click it, then click Sketch. So what we want to do is shoot this. Let's create let's do the outline first, or we do the circle first. Shoot. Actually, let's make this reference line. So we'll do center line from here to about, actually right around here, because you're looking at the curve. The curve goes about right here. Could be a little bigger, but that's okay. So click Exit Sketch. Now we're going to create a plane from that line that we just created. So what we do is click the feature, click reference geometry, click plane. The first reference will select this one. And for the second reference here, we'll select this point. And then for the third one, we'll select front plane. So if you look front plane, it'll be on that. We just created plane on that surface right here, or that these 2 points, and click OK. And what we can do is click that plane. Now we can hide it. Right click, click hide. Now we create a sketch on that plane. Now we want to do an ellipse. Let's see, center line. Let's see, we want to drag this towards the bottom. And how do we like the, want it wider or fatter? Yeah, how fat do we want it? Like that's good, yeah. Oop, this one popped out. Click this one and this one. Let's make it pierce. There we go. Yeah, looks good. So we're looking from the front. This is the shape that we wanted. And it's gonna go around here. Now we're gonna make another one on the back end. So we exit the sketch. Rename this say front face. For the right plane, that'll be this one right here, the blue line. We're gonna make a circle or an ellipse. So right click, right plane, click sketch to create a sketch there. And what we want to do is draw ellipse. And we want this to intersect the origin. And for this, we want to give this dimension, click this dot, hold down control, click this one, and let's give this at least 200,000. And click this one, and the bottom one, let's give this thing 400 is good. Oops. That's 4 inch. 0.4. That's 40,000. 400,000, I'm sorry. Click OK. Then click escape or click the select button. There we go. That looks about right. So 400,000. Just we can change that to 450. 0.450. And 430. Let's go 430.430. There we go. Now I'm happy with that. Click OK. Exit sketch. Now from the front plane, it looks like that. We have the front lips and we have the back end. Now we're going to draw the line connecting this dot to this dot and this dot to this dot. So in order to do that, we let's see, let's rename this to Rian, and go to the front plane, click left click that and click sketch to create a sketch on the front plane. Now we want to draw, use a spline tool and just click somewhere around here, but don't touch it. Don't touch this spot. Just actually you could, but let's do this. And here, right around here. Now what you want to do is select this point and don't hit the this point, but hit the control key and hit the side of it. See, it lights up, and now you want to click the pierce. But if you click the point, it may not give you that pierce option if you click this dot. See what I mean? On the left here, there's no pierce. So select the points, then select the side of the lips. Click pierce. Click OK. Go to this point. Hold down Control key. Select the lips, and click pierce. Click OK, and double check. See if you need to make an adjustment. That looks good. Now we could create another one. The same one for the bottom half. Here, click select. Click the points again. Zoom in and kind of press down the mouse, the mouse wheel, and rotate the camera and select the side of the ellipse. Click pierce. There you go. See? Now do the same thing. Select the points and move the camera by pressing the middle mouse wheel. Now hold down the control key, press the ellipse, click left click the ellipse, and now you want to click pierce, and it's piercing to that. Click OK, and that's about it. And if we hide the front pictures, we'll go to pictures, left click it, then click hide, and this is what it looks like right here. Base got an outline. The other thing you can do is you can create another guide curve around the middle part, but I don't think you need that. So click escape. Exit sketch, and let's rename this guide. Let's say front profile. Okay. Now in order to create the whole body, what you want to do is go to features, click loft boss base. Now in the profile, first one you want to select is the front facer here. The second one is the rear. See how that's what's gonna look like. But for the guide curve, click the guide curve. Now you want to select the top one and click. It will give you this selection manager. Just click the open loop, because this is an open loop. Click OK. Now click the guide curve again. Select the bottom one. Let's click OK. And this is what it's going to look like. This is a preview. Of course, you can go back and change any of this, but it may mess it up. So, but right now it seems okay. Click OK, and this is what it looks like there. So go to front pictures, and go back to the front pictures. Show the front pictures again. If we hide the body, and this is what we got. The body is right around here. Turn it back on. Oop. And we're going to show the body. I left this a little bit wider at the bottom here on purpose. So now if we hide this, now we can cut this out. So here we go to front plane. create another sketch. And here we want to make a, let's use a spline tools. Let's start off somewhere over here. Then here. Press escape. And let's adjust this a little bit. Click this handle here and to change the angle a little bit. And that looks good. Yeah, I actually want to cut it in a little bit more. There we go. Now let's create a box around it now. Okay, click OK. Exit sketch. Now let's hide this picture. Bring back the body. Yeah. I don't know. Do I want it straight? Or do I want it more of a curvy? Let's see. Let's give it a little bit more straight. So, edit. Yeah, that looks okay. Let's see how it goes. Click OK. Exit sketch. Now what we want to do is select this sketch. Click extruded cut. And here you want to, let me rotate the camera. Right now it's cutting blind towards this direction. Now instead of blind, I want it to cut to both of these, both of the plane from the sketch plane on both sides of the plane. So it's gonna cut both sides, and that looks okay. Click OK. Here we go. I'm not sure how I feel about that cut. Let's see. Yeah. That looks. Let's see if it. Yeah, looks a little better. Not too bad. Let's give it the some fillet. Let's give it 0.030 thou. Not too much. About 30 thou is good. Yeah. Oh, give this 30 thou too. Go back in and select this face. Click OK. And they're all about 30 thou. Let's turn this back on. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's go bring back the pictures. And we want an eye on top and to the bottom. Now the question is, what about the back one? How do we do that? So go to front plane, click a sketch. Let's do the top and the bottom first. So we create a line from here all the way down here. Now click OK, escape, exit sketch, and what we're going to do is swept cut. And we already select the sketch. Click circular profile And let's give this 100,000. Click OK. And we just basically made a 100,000 hole. Now for the rear, we can either create it in, or we can create another one up here. So it's like a crankbait. Or I haven't decided yet. Let's see. Sectional view. And click OK. All I did was click the sectional view and click OK. And this is the front plane. So it's viewing at the front plane, the middle of the front plane. Click OK. Let's see, turn off the pictures. Now go to front plane, create another sketch. And here we want a line tool. And somewhere in the middle. Oop. Sorry, yeah. Do that again. Line 2. Now we can either go back out here, or we can go and make another line tie in the front if we decided to. Or even down here. Not sure how that will swim, but let's make one go out this way. So that's going to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, let's bring this out just a little bit. There we go. Click OK. Exit sketch. Now swept cut. And circular profile. 100,000. That's good. Click OK. And there we go. Now we want to add some weight. Probably best to add it in the front here somewhere. So it's head down. So let's create another front plane. Sketch. And how do we want to create the chamber for it? So let's make a box around it. Click right here, up here, up here. Spline tools. Here to here. Clicks OK. Bend this a little bit. Now let's create some chamfer. Select the skillet, fillet. Click this point, this point, this one. Let's give it about 30,000. 0.03. That's 30,000. Yeah, that's good enough. Click OK. So we basically made a sketch on the front plane here. Click OK. Exit sketch. We can rename it if you want, but I'm gonna go right through this. So what you want to do is extruded cut. Right now it's cutting to both of the body. So here you wanna cut from the sketch plane for the direction 1. You want to use offset from body. And you want to select this body. Actually, nope, not that face. Select this face. And do translate surface. Now for the other one, direction 2, you want to use offset from surface. And for the face, select this face. And you also want to do translate surface. There we go. Click OK. So it looks like that. So you can add rattle BBs, lead weight, whatever you want inside here. And the other thing you can do is let's do some chamfer. No, let's do some fillet in here. So round the corner off. Click the fillet. For the fillet item, for 30 thou, select this face, and it'll fillet all around that area. Click OK. Now you want to click OK. Now remove the sectional view. Click it again, but instead of this area, you want to reverse the direction. So click that direction, click OK. Now go back to the fillet and edit the feature. Now since we did the other face, let's create this face on this face right here. So we did face 1, now we click this one and it'll create a fillet around that area right there. Click OK. And we're basically done. Yeah. There we go. Let's give this some color. Let's see. Paint. Candy apple red. Sure. Here we go. And let's see. How does it look without the lines? Now compare that to the picture. Let's hide this. It's a little different in this area. Of course, I can come back and cut it a little bit better. Yeah, let's try that. So let's go back to the turn on the loft and go back to actually turn off the loft. Go back here. Hide the picture. Actually, that looks a little better. That's fine. And here's what it looked like on the inside. And here we'll just oh, this looks thin at the bottom. Let's go move this up a little bit. Edit. Okay, exit sketch, and there we go. That looks a lot better. And that's about it. So let's save this. Save as. Give this name. Pico Perch. And what we're going to do is create an STL file. So go to File and print 3D, and it'll ask for the bottom plane of the model. You can select this face, and it'll look like that. which is perfect. Now go all the way down, click Save to File, click, make sure you use STL, click Save Files, then Pico Perch, click OK. That's it. Yes, okay, and that's about it. And just go to STL, put in your slicer, and print it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.